There are some people who believe that Jesus Christ came to India. And is it possible? That's the issue we are going to discuss today. Now, there are some Hindus who believe that Jesus Christ came to India between 12 and 30, because in the Bible, nothing is mentioned about the life of Jesus Christ between 12 and 30. They presume that was the time that Jesus came to India. He studied under the gurus in India. He learned yoga and he went back and exercised them. In fact, there was a teaching that Jesus taught Raja Yoga, because when you know Raja Yoga, you can be in a form of a dead person for 3 days and come back. So they believe that Jesus actually learned yoga and he taught it and exercised it when he went back. Now, is it possible, and where from they got this? That's what we are going to discuss today. Now, this argument is based on the writing of a Russian novelist, Notovich. Now, first of all, the argument is this: can you take the writings of a novelist and produce it as a historical document? It's impossible. The second thing is, this Russian novelist says that there were some scrolls that are found in Tibet, which is very close to India, and it says that Jesus Christ actually came through Tibet into India. And now, in that there is a question. In that part of the world, at that time, scrolls were never used, only palm leaves were used. From that itself, we can understand it has been cooked up. The third and very logical deduction is this: if you have a person who has gone to university and studied mathematics and later he becomes a professor, what subject he would teach? Definitely he would teach mathematics. He won't be asked to teach biological science, and it's impossible. Why I'm giving this example is this: if Jesus has come to India and learnt yoga, what he should be doing after going back to Israel? He must be teaching yoga, but nowhere we find Jesus Christ teaching yoga. He was teaching from the Old Testament scriptures. Secondly, if Jesus was absent from that place for 18 long years, people would be questioning his identity, who he is. But there was no question like that. They recognized him as the son of a carpenter and brother of James and Judas, who were born to Mary and Joseph after Jesus Christ was born. From that, we can clearly deduce that Jesus Christ was there during that period and he never visited India. So my friends, Jesus was a person who lived in Jerusalem and the vicinity around it. He learned from there and he taught Judaism and Christianity.